Guys, guess who just rushed to the post office just 10 minutes before they closed to get this guy? It's happening again, guys. We are getting a 14th new player. A lot of you know who it is already because no surprise, no more. But I still wanted to share the experience of meeting him for the first time with you guys. As you can see, everybody is here for the grand opening. And shout out to Elmo Lover for requesting this. He did motivate me to get one. But yeah, so as you can see, everybody is here to watch the show and enjoy to meet their new friends. So we have this box that I just picked up, literally just 20 minutes ago. Yeah, we're gonna open this very gently, like very gently. Like this tape is it's like very not solid anyway. Give me just a few seconds to cut that. Right, so we opened it. As you can see, same as the Rocking Guitar Elmo experience, our little guy is packed and he's also going to be there. So before looking, there's not really anything I can see so far. So he's still hidden. Do you guys want the reveal? Yeah, I guess you do. So, oh, I see a hand right there. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this little dude. There he is. Oh, there he is. He looks so cool. Okay. So, without further ado, let's meet ABC dancer Elmo. Oh, he's very light. He's very light. He doesn't weigh a ton. So as you can see, here is what he looks like without his shirt. He doesn't have a good balance. I think he doesn't have any batteries on. Yeah, he doesn't have any batteries on. Let me just put a few and let's see if this guy works. And he's going to be greeted with all his friends. Just, yeah, look at this. He blends in so well with his friends. Like right now, here is everybody so far. And he's exactly the same size, so that's pretty great. Guys, this is very cool. ABC Dancer Elmo, which is pretty rare. It did take me a while to find a good listing for this guy. Honestly, there's not that much media about that guy. But I'm going to change that. You guys are going to see more of ABC Dancer Elmo. He's not that... Oh, he's actually pretty thin. Okay. His arms are pretty... So he's actually pretty thin. The mechanism is not that big. Okay. The speaker is kind of like... I think he's actually kind of close to the Limbo Elmo in some ways. I think the speaker is also down there. Kind of like Limbo Elmo, but... Yeah. So let me put batteries in this guy and I'll just show you. Batteries are in. Time for the big reveal. Press his foot. Okay, pretty good actually. I thought he was going to have some struggles at first, but I just think he hasn't been turned on for quite a while. He's doing good actually, very good. His little shirt is pretty cool. He's gonna keep this color, so that's going to be his color. Light blue. Oh my god. Yeah, that's pretty neat. He's in shape actually. So yeah, let me show you just how he does on his own. Let me show you. So this guy is a mix of Limbo Elmo. He's having a lot of similarities. I do think the speaker is right there. You can see the red legs, kind of like Limbo Elmo. He has the same clothing style, t-shirt, shorts, and he bends his back for frontwards and backwards. So it's pretty fun to notice that this guy has very similarities. And what is here a cool thing about him? He glitches exactly like the chicken dance Elmo does. But yeah. He's pretty wild. Like, how old is this Elmo toy anyway? Is there a... Yeah, there it is. I need to see how old he is. Fisher Price, 2001 actually. So he's between... Wow, okay. So he's before Limbo Elmo, but in the same time as the Chicken Dance Elmo. Well, actually, you can pretty tell the material on the Elmo face is very similar to the Chicken Dance Elmo. So it's a very good theory. But it's pretty fun to see that this guy is so rare compared to most other Elmos. But here, look at him. He's actually pretty cool. Yeah. He actually doesn't have a very massive mechanism. He's very thin. Look at this. He can fit in my hand like this. So, but yeah, it's pretty fun to see an Elmo toy that I haven't really seen a lot of media for. So I do discover a lot of things. I just discovered you can do the glitch like Chicken Dance Elmo. But yeah, he's now part of the Elmo agency. Here is yet again a family photo for you guys. I will see you again. Hopefully I will see you in a few days again, probably next week for another delivery. So yeah, he's not alone. And you might know already who's going to come next. So without further ado, let me close this video because, well, I want to show it to you guys. And yeah, like and subscribe for the Elmo Agency if you want to see more of these guys. And also, if you want to see more about anybody here, feel free to request. I take requests, maybe not purchasing Elmos or skinning them. I got a lot of requests taking the fur or buying Elmos. These requests I will be most likely to say no to. But any video, concept you want, I can do it. If possible. But with that being said, we now have 14. Yeah, have fun and have a nice day.